Alright guys, so as you can see, it's been raining. It's really gloomy. I've been sick for like a week straight. So this weekend we're not really going crazy doing any work. To be honest, I'm resting, trying to recover. But I did want to show you guys this. So I ordered some Temu lifters, and so the description says Delphi LS7 lifters. So I haven't even unboxed them. I literally just cut the tape just to peep inside. But I wanted to show you, this is how they were packaged. Got your trays in here. I feel like this was gonna be a box within a box, but this just a box. But so we got our trays, which I mean the ones I have are fine, but whatever. They came with them. So here the lifters are actually packaged up in this. Now if you look, this box is wet and it rained whenever these got delivered. So at first I was thinking maybe you know, the box was wet, but now that I'm feeling this, I can tell that these lifters are oiled, and you can see they're cut. So whatever, they leaked. I got oil in my hands right now, so they've been leaking in this box. So they weren't sealed really well. Oh, you can see it through right there. The plastic's broken. So I really hope, well, I mean, I'm sure they didn't get much rain in them, but still, I feel like they should have been packaged a little bit tighter. So here's one side. You can see they got a little bit of lubricant on them. And these were, I want to say $80. I'll put a little thing in the video. You can see exactly what I ordered. And I really don't know what the brand LS7 lifters cost. I didn't even look, to be honest. I guess I probably should have, but so we're gonna get these things opened up. Probably check them out. Find a knife. Don't have a knife, but I got these child-proof scissors, so you don't cut yourself. Actually, still might need a knife. Guys, these things are soaked in oil. It's pretty shitty, to be honest, but I can't even hold them. I literally can't even hold them. Alright, and yeah, see the plastic for real, that's why all the oil's coming out. So either these things are banged up, thrown around, or they just didn't really give a shit. Probably both. Let's see if I can get them out of here. At least one of them. Oh, there we go. Alright. So, there you have it. It's brand new LS7 lifters. Alright, and I showed you in the last one how the other ones had play. Well, these also have play in the same exact spot. So, I don't know. Maybe that's alright. I don't know. They're already a little bit oiled, but I'm actually gonna let these things soak for a while in some oil. Probably till I stick them in, to be honest, just to get them real nice and lubricated. I'll grab one of my old ones just to show you. So these are the original ones that come out of it. They're filthy from being ran, but now you can see the wear here on these. All right in there. So these other ones don't have any wear on them. Pretty much identical. So these come out, well, you can see a little difference in there. So I'm not entirely sure the difference is going to be as far as these being LS7 lifters and these just being standard, you know, 5.3 lifters.
See, these actually feel a bit tighter as far as these flowing better, but if they end up being not any good, then I mean, I can always pull the heads back off and replace them, but I actually see a gap in the bearings in there. Like it's missing a ball bearing almost. I don't know. There you go. I mean, you can see the wear on these and kind of compare them. So, yeah, we're gonna stick these things in some oil, let them soak. It's probably all I'm doing this weekend. Like I said, I've been sick. I really feel like shit. I did already start working on the truck a little bit last weekend. Right after I did the motor video, like the next day, I started messing around with the truck. You get a little sneak peek. I ain't gonna show you too much. Yeah, that's good. You can kind of see we've already started on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some stuff to soak these in, find a little container to put them in or something, and show you kind of how I do that. All right, so I got Kayla's cookie jar. She's not too thrilled about this, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. So we're gonna use this. I mean, I don't see why it would be, you know, an issue using this. It's gonna seal it off nice. So we're just gonna take all of these and just dump them in here for now. Should be plenty of room to get all these in here. And so like I said before, the Canyon leaks oil. So I usually keep a quart of oil in the back of my truck. So this is not like 20-year-old oil. This is actually pretty new, but being that it's been in the back of the Canyon getting rained on and all that shit, it just looks bad. But it's good oil. I'm assuming it's probably 530. I think that's what the Canyon takes. But like I said, it's not really gonna matter. This is just to get them good and lubricated while they're sitting and waiting. I think most people actually do like 72 hours, you know, which is what, 3 days, to let these soak once they get them. But I can assure you they will not go in this motor 72 hours. So and we'll probably get, these things will probably be here for a while until I put this motor back together. So I'm just gonna stick them in this. I hope there's enough oil actually to soak them all the way to the top. Oh yeah. So boom, just like that. And that's all we're gonna do. I'm just gonna let these things soak. You see me wipe this out, so there's not any dirt or anything in it like that. Just gonna leave these in there, let them get good and soak. I'll stick them over here in the shelf. Now, forget about them for a while. You see I ain't touched the motor. Haven't really done anything extra. Not really gonna do anything at all this weekend. I just wanted to show you guys those lifters and kind of show you what to expect if you're ordering something off Temu. I have no idea how they're gonna hold up or perform, but I mean that's what they are. We got them. So that's pretty much this whole video. I just wanted to show you guys those, and hopefully this week I'll start feeling better, and maybe this rain will clear up. I can do some messing around with the frame, painting and all. We'll jump back on this thing next week. So make sure you check me out next week or whatever, and we're gonna get back on this thing. I'll see you guys.